Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, December the 21st, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. 3 stars puzzle, number 7660. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 printed digits. Well, a 3 stars puzzle should be, usually it has 25 printed digits. 4 digits more should be at 0 stars. 4 stars puzzle has 24, 3 stars 25, 2 stars 26, 1 star 27, 29, well, 0 stars. And a 0 stars puzzle, my time limit, well, need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this row, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us to 1. The 2 and 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. Here also 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are 2 and 3. We have 2 and 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the 3rd row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now. Let me see. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the 3rd column, 9 in the 2nd column, so the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the 2nd row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the 1st row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Let me go back to the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 9. Now. 7. Okay, need a 2 here. Means we need a 2 there. Need a 3 here. 1 in this 3rd column, 1 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 4 is missing. Well, 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the number? 6 and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 6 in this second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. And only 2 places left, and the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 6 here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. In this column, we need a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 in this column should be there. Then. Need a 7 here. How about need a 8. 8, 5, 3. Five, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be an 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column. Middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next only to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. One box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the first row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Not quite a 3 stars puzzle. Well, see you in a minute with a second puzzle, the 4 stars puzzle. This one was an easy one. Publisher, we need more puzzles with a lot of difficulties. Yes, that you need to think. Maybe the next one we will see. Until then, bye bye for now.